Imagine two 25-year-olds. Same job, same salary, same city. Fast forward 10 years. One is financially free. The other is stressed, drowning in debt, and wondering how life got so expensive. What was the difference? Not luck, not talent, not crypto. Just a few small decisions they made in their 20s that quietly shaped everything. And here's the uncomfortable part. You're making those decisions right now. Every time you spend, every time you save, every time you say, I'll start later. Your 20s are the only decade where time is actually on your side. Miss this window, and building wealth becomes way harder than it needs to be. So today, I want to show you how to get rich in your 20s, realistically. No get-rich-quick nonsense, no fake guru energy, just real principles that actually work. And stay until the end, because the last part is what protects everything you build when the next market crash hits. 1. Pay yourself first, or you'll never catch up. Most people save like this. They spend what they want and save whatever is left, which, let's be honest, is usually nothing. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save and invest first, then live on what's left. Not because they're disciplined superheroes, but because it's automatic. Set up your investing like a bill, like rent, like Netflix. Except this bill pays you back later. Even $100 or $200 a month can turn into something huge over time. Not because you're special, but because time is. And if you don't use time in your 20s, your 30s will make you pay for it, with interest. 2. Stop stressing about coffee. Focus on income. Quick reality check. If skipping lattes made people rich, baristas would be driving Lamborghinis. Yes, saving matters, but income matters more. Your 20s are about one main thing: increasing how much you earn. That could mean learning valuable skills, switching to better-paying jobs, negotiating your salary, starting a side hustle, building something online. Because you don't escape financial stress by cutting small expenses forever. You escape it by making more money. Here's the trap most people fall into. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. New car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions, and somehow they still feel broke. Instead, when your income goes up, increase your investing first. Same lifestyle, bigger future. 3. Be boring now so you can be free later. This part is hard. Your friends will upgrade their lives. Nicer cars, better apartments, more trips. And sometimes you'll feel behind, but you're not behind. You're early. Wealth isn't built by looking rich. It's built by staying boring while everyone else is distracted. Let me ask you something. Would you rather look rich at 25 or actually be rich at 40? Because most of the time, you don't get both. Delayed gratification isn't punishment. It's a strategy. And when you get this right early, you skip years of stress later. 4. Don't gamble. Build a system. Most people treat investing like a casino. They chase hot stocks. They panic when the market drops. They jump in and out. Wealthy investors do the opposite. They stay boring. They invest consistently. They diversify. They think long-term. Because money grows best when emotion stays out of the way. And here's something most people don't realize. Market crashes don't destroy wealth. They move it. From emotional people to prepared people. Right now, you're standing at a fork in the road. One path is easy. Spend more. Save later. Hope everything works out. The other path is harder. Invest automatically. Increase your income. Delay comfort. Stay consistent. But that harder path leads to something rare. Control. Control over your time. Control over your stress. Control over your future. Because getting rich in your 20s isn't about speed. It's about direction. But here's the twist. Even if you do everything right, one thing can still wipe you out. A market crash. A recession. A financial shock. That's why I made a video breaking down 5 smart moves you should make with your money before the next crash hits, so you don't lose what you worked so hard to build. Click the video on screen now, and I'll show you exactly how to protect your money before the storm arrives. Because building wealth is one thing, keeping it is what really makes you rich. Thanks for watching.